Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Tech Learning Academy YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss about operators in Java. Okay, then what is operators? Operators are the symbols are used to perform some task. Then we have types of operators. Then what are the types of operators? The types of operators are arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, unary operators, and last ternary operators. The first operator is arithmetic operators. What is arithmetic operators? Arithmetic operators involves the mathematical operators that can be used to perform various simple or advanced arithmetic operations on the primitive data types. Then we have various operations, that is plus is nothing but additions, minus is nothing but subtraction, then into is nothing but multiplications, then divided by is nothing but division, and modulus operators divides two numbers and return the remainders. And this is the example for arithmetic operators. So here I am doing addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus with the help of two operands, that is A and B. Here I'm taking A value is 10 and B value is 5. Then I'm printing sum and next subtraction and next multiplication, division and modulus. And then executive program. And this is the final result. And always Java program start from main method. And next second operator is assignment operator. So assignment operators are used to assign values to a variable. The left side operand of the assignment operator is a variable, and then right side operand of the assignment operator is a value. The value on the right side must be of the same data type of the operand on the left side. Otherwise, the compiler will raise an error. This means that the assignment operator have right to left associativity. The value given on the right hand side of the operator is assigned to the variable on the left. Therefore, the right hand side value must be declared before using it or should be a constant. The general format of the assignment operator is variable operator value. Then the types of operators, assignment operators in Java is single operator, plus equal operator, minus equal operator, then multiplication equal operator, division equal operator, modulus equal operators. And this is the example for assignment operator. So here I am taking operands are A, B, C, D, A and printing with the assignment operators. Then executive program. And you will get a result. Then this is the example for assignment operators in Java. In this section, you have any doubts, you can comment. Thank you for watching and please subscribe our channel.